Alright, so I've got my brother's 2007 Mazda b4000 pickup truck. He went off-roading the other day, and it's been raining, so there's some big water puddles. And he drove through a bunch of them. And after a while, his truck lost power, the truck shut off. He'd turn it back on, it would idle real rough. And it bogged down under throttle at any point. So I popped the hood, took a look. His air filter was all wet. So I ripped out the air filter, looked up into the intake throttle body, and there was a bunch of water and residue from the air filter in here. So I took out the mass airflow sensor. That's the new one. The old one is right here. And I realized, I don't know if you can see in there, one of the resistors in there is completely corroded. There. So I ordered up a new mass airflow sensor, threw it in there, and the truck runs fine. It took about 2 minutes for the truck to relearn the sensor. It would still run rough. We took it on a drive down the road, and after about 2 to 3 minutes, the truck was running fine again. So if you're having these problems on your truck, I would recommend changing the mass airflow sensor. It's about $50 online.